Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. Today with Shane and Nyla, here to show you an absolutely gorgeous 1967 Chevy Chevelle Super Sport. It has a 396 big block paired to a 4-speed manual transmission. It has power steering, power brakes, it has a front disc brake conversion with a real nice set of American Racing Centerline wheels and BF Goodrich tires, and one of my favorites, the blue ghost flames down the side of the paint.
Yes.
The paint on the car is gorgeous. It's equipped with a Hurst 4-speed. All the chrome on this car is gorgeous. The glass is gorgeous. The paint is gorgeous. Underneath the hood is beautiful, and the interior is really just, I don't know if you have anything with this nice interior. To be honest.
It's pristine.
It's just really, really black.
Mean and pristine.
Someone did a very good job when they restored this car.
Yep. Alright, now for the fun part. We're going to get it cranked up, take it for a ride.
Well, we're officially getting ready to take a test drive in, I think, one of my very favorite cars that we have right now. Let's put that SS sign the right way. There we go. This is a 1967 SS Chevelle 396 4-speed. You got a good oil pressure gauge. I'm sure the temperature getaway is going to be good. Amps is good. Don't look like the factory ones here work. The battery one does and the fuel one does. Let's see if the speedometer works. Yep, speedometer works too.
Awesome. We gotta go a little slow around here.
Yeah,
We got the school traffic, but we'll wait till we get up ahead and show you what we got. Alright, now we got some open road here.
Oh yeah, brakes are real good.
Good.
Better than I was expecting.
That's always a plus. With these old big cars, a lot of times the brakes aren't very strong.
Oh man, fun.
Alright.
Well, the steering feels real good coming around this corner. You'll see there's no play in the wheel. No kind of vibrations. It shifts through all 4 gears real nice. The clutch feels good. All the gauges are working. This RPM gauge aftermarket doesn't seem to be working. Doesn't mean it can be fixed though, so don't sweat it. Even the factory clock works.
Yep. Beautiful, beautiful car. Sure to turn some heads with the paint job too.
I love this car.
Shane loves this car.
It's a nice one, guys. The paint job on it's gorgeous, especially if you're in the flames.
It is, it is. We're gonna take it back to the shop and put it up on the lift and take a look underneath. Thanks for tuning in.